Let's answer page 261, and don't forget to write the date. Let's write the date. Today is 31st of March 2020. Okay, all of you write the date. Let's see here. He tell me what? Let's answer. Draw one line of symmetry. Only what? One. Be careful. He tell me what? Draw one. If I like to highlight it. Okay. Here he tell me what? Only one line of symmetry. Be careful. So here, all what I need to do is one line of symmetry. Even the figure has more, I will draw only one line of symmetry. Okay, look, this is called a kite figure. It is sometimes some books call it a kite figure. Okay, so the line of symmetry is this one only. So he drew for you one line of symmetry. By the way, if I draw a line of symmetry like this, this is not a line of symmetry, okay? Because it doesn't divide the figure into two matching halves, okay? Here, what do you think? This is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So the line of symmetry that I can draw, if I draw one like that, what do you think? No, this is not a line of symmetry. It doesn't divide it into two matching halves. So if I draw one like that, what do you think? Yes, this is a line of symmetry. This also a triangle that all the sides are equal. So I can draw one line of symmetry like that. Okay. And it divides the triangle into two matching halves. Also, I told you we can draw more. Another two lines of symmetry I can draw from each vertex. But he asked me to draw what? Only one line of symmetry. Here also, this is an octagon. I told you I can draw one like that. So it divides the octagon into two matching halves like that. Also, I can draw another one horizontally. I can draw another one like that and like that, but like I explained before, but he needs only what? One line of symmetry. Also, this seems like a house. Okay. This is, by the way, this is an octagon also. 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I can draw a line of symmetry like that. Now I divide the figure into two halves matching exactly. This figure, what do you think? If I draw a line of symmetry like that, do they match? No, this part is not the same like this part, and I cannot fold. Okay, so I will draw another one vertically like that, so I can fold. Is it right? This part is the same like all this part, and I can fold, and they match exactly. So like that we answer this page. Let's move to the next page and make it bigger a little bit. Okay. Here he told me what? Draw all lines of symmetry for each figure. Listen, he told me what? draw all lines of symmetry. Okay, so this means if the figure has more than one line of symmetry, I have to draw all of them. Okay, so let's move it down. Okay, and let's draw here. What do you think? I can draw a vertical line of symmetry, and it divides the figure into two halves and they match exactly. What else? I can draw a horizontal line of symmetry like that, and it divides the figure up and down into two halves and they match exactly, but nothing else. This figure, what do you think? I can draw vertical one. Okay, so these two parts or two halves match exactly, and also I can draw a horizontal line of symmetry and the two halves up and down match exactly. This figure, it looks like letter H. What do you think? I can draw a vertical line of symmetry like that. So this half equal this half. I can fold and match exactly, and also a horizontal line of symmetry like that. So the figure up and down, or the half up and down, match exactly. Here he tell me draw each matching part to make the dashed line a line of symmetry. So he told me the dashed line, this is a line of symmetry. This means this part that is drawn already should be folded to the other part and they match exactly. This means I will draw the same figure here like this one. So here, this line is, I connect three dots. So I will connect, this is one dot, two dots, three. Okay, and this down, I will match this with this. And down here, I match these two dots. I will match these two dots. Then match this dot with this dot. I will match this dot with this dot. Now I draw another part that looks like what a half of the bigger one. Okay, so this is one half, this is the other half. Also here, this line, I need to draw one like that here in the other half. So I will match this dot with this dot. Then vertical line that match, this is, sorry, horizontal line that match two dots. I'll match it. Then a vertical one that matches three dots. So I'll match it three dots like that. All of you follow me? Then this is a horizontal line that match two dots. So I will draw a horizontal line that match two dots. Then at the end, like this one, like slash, I will draw it that matching two dots. The last one, it looks harder, but we will try. This line that matches three dots, I will make it like that. It matches three dots, one, two, three. Then it match two dots. I will match two dots like it. All of you follow me? Then this dot or this dot matching the one away. So I will match it with the one that is away. Then this match it to this one. I'll match it to this one. Then this match this. Then at the end, I'll match both. If it is hard for you, no problem, leave it, no problem. But by the way, this question, I will not bring a question like that. Okay, I will not bring a question, but I draw it for you to make it clear for you. Here, draw each figure on a separate sheet of dot paper. Predict which figure has more lines of symmetry. Fold to check. By the way, we will not separate it on a sheet of dot paper, but I know that this is a rectangle, this is a square. I told you how many lines of symmetry for the rectangle. We said 2. This is 1, and this is 2. So I have 2 lines of symmetry for the rectangle. What about the square? I told you I have 4. And you have to keep this in your mind. This is 1, this is 2, and the diagonals. Okay, the diagonals. So here I have the rectangle. I have 2 lines of symmetry. What about the square? The square, I have 4 lines of symmetry. The question is, predict which figure has more lines of symmetry. So I will write for him the rectangle or the square. Sure, I will write for him the square has what? Has more lines of symmetry. The last one here, fill in the circle under the correct answer, which is a closed figure with a line of symmetry. Is this a closed figure? Yes. But is this a line of symmetry? No. It doesn't divide the figure into 2 matching halves. Is this a closed figure? Yes. Is this a line of symmetry? Does it divide it into uh, 2 matching halves? What do you think? Yes. So I can fill the the circle here. But here, this is an open figure. This is not a closed figure. Okay, this is a closed figure, but the part up is not the same like the part down, and when I fold it, they will not match. You see, this is this is a curve out, but this curve inside, okay, is moving inside like that. So this is not a line of symmetry. So only this is the correct answer. Thank you for listening. See you next video, inshallah. Miss all of you. Goodbye. Study well.